Okay, good afternoon everyone. This is MLS Peer Assignment Presentation. Our group topic is about big data and ERP. So in the first part, I will introduce something about the two terms and their relationship. The first one is big data. From the name, we know the volume of the data is very huge. Today, we are staying in the age of the big data. Each day, we have 2.3 quintillion data. And then, in reality, we can find a lot of format of the data, such as image, volume, audio. And about the data processing is very immediate and dynamic, so we can get immediate results. The fourth, I want to say something about the quality of the data. The quality we cannot sure is good or not because the two reasons. The first one is the data we collect is not complete, is not correct. And then we collect the data, we don't know which kind of data is useful for us, which kind of data we should analyze. So, based on the four reasons we know that the two reasons we know that the quality of the data we are not sure is good. And then we know volume, variety, velocity, and veracity. All of the four dimensions is the four ways of the big data. And the other term I want to say ERP. From the picture we know ERP is a software. Use this software we can put a lot of data in all fields of the business, such as human resource related data, production and currency related data. After that, there are a lot of modules in ERP can help us to analyze that and get the results. So we can get the relationship of the big data and the ERP. First, we can use we can collect big data, put into our company database, and use ERP and other software to analyze that. And then we use business intelligence and to get the results to support us to get the better business strategy and improve our management. The next part is about function of the big data in ERP. This part will be introduced by my partner, Morgana. So thank you very much.
Thank you to my partner, Suzy. So now I'm going to talk about the function of big data in ERP system. The data in ERP system has bigger potential to transform business, certainly when harnessed effectively. By analyzing the huge data, eventually discover new information, companies can improve their processes, access the profit and streamline internal processes. Based on research, mostly companies only use 12% of data received and overlook 88% of potential comprehension where they are unable to analyze. So, by synchronizing ERP with big data, many different aspects of businesses can be seen. Now, let's go to focus of sales. Okay, based on focus of sales, based on customer feedback, merchant will use their ERP system to forecast demand for certain product using big data analytics. For example, large retailer like Walmart, they have substantial data and information regarding supply and inventory of many products in their ERP system. By using smart data analytical or ERP software, ERP software analyzes sales pattern for previous release of iPhone. Walmart also integrate the system with business analytical to create the correlation. So, based on the data and analysis, they found out that when demand of new iPhone increase, the demand of headphones, screen protector and cover also increase. Next, we will go into improvement of supply chain and quality assurance of manufacturing industry. One of the greatest challenges faced by businesses are keeping track of moving parts in supply chain. The movement and storage of every material, work processes, inventory and deliveries of finished goods must be tracked and recorded. With ERP software, the sequence, view activity, reload the truck and asset can be viewed easily. For instance, Coca-Cola Enterprise have faced challenges in manufacturing and logistics. Thus, Genesis program have been introduced by introducing SAP ERP, which replaced outdated system of old CCE. Genesis view of metric and streamline processes, shorten the cycle time and more dynamic. By integrating ERP, big data and QA processes in manufacturing industry, manufacturers will be able to use latest technology where they are able to monitor every process in its production. In total, it will help them to get better results during work in process rather than facing problem after the product is ready to be delivered to customer's doorstep. Mostly companies started using big data for better of recruiting a new employees. They use HR module on ERP to identify talents and also big data solution to search for new talent. For instance, Eclove is a Hadoop map reduce application. It uses big data to help organization choose right candidate for the designated position. The organization will be able to run through data reservoir including from ERP, then target prediction about employee performance in different categories. Okay. Now, the last function of big data in ERP system is scheduling. Project management and scheduling can be improved when big data are integrated with more information. Nowadays, most of the operations are driven by a series of schedule-based metrics where with integration of big data, the information are readily accessible and intermediate. This development leads to comprehensive ERP scheduling. This development also helps the project management to be effective. For example, field or remote manufacturing companies that have many branches can access real-time information where by viewing real-time information, they will have better view of all the operation and also company can program production to be more effective. It will save time and resource for the company. Now let's go to the conclusion of big data in ERP system. As you know, big data plus ERP, it will bring a lot of benefit to an organization. First one, it will give solution for the company for any problem. Also, it will identify any risk and opportunity faced by the companies. And also, it will gain intelligence and visibility into real time and performance. Lastly, using all these big data in ERP system, it will achieve the organization goal. Okay, that's all for our presentation. Hope you enjoyed our presentation.